So here's a Suburu Outback we've been working on a few times here. We've done some few projects on it. Rigid lights just got installed today. Turned out real nice. This thing is sweet. So previously we actually installed a ham radio. There's the antenna. And I'll show you that inside. There's the ham radio we put in. And here's the light pod. This is by STech. Pretty much total light control to be able to switch through all your lights in the vehicle that are installed. We also did a battery replacement with the Odyssey battery. And here's the STech box. This is a relay box. This is pretty much where everything is controlled at. Once again, rigid lights. And this is SK Customs. Thanks.